Welcome! Cut! Hello guys!
Hi!
Pilipino ka ba?
I'm with Justin, so we're gonna have a Minecraft now. So Justin is now
Wow,
feeling
YouTuber ka talaga.
now Justin is gonna now.
Uy, pag mo!
So hi dog.
Wow, galing mo!
So this is the library,
Si Kuya Gim magaling din eh.
and then yes, there's all. We're gonna go up, and then we fall again, and then up, and then we're gonna fall again. Look
Fall
at-
again.
Yes. I'm with Justin Lang.
Rock and roll to the world.
Okay guys, we are here at the secret base of
Yes.
Justin Lang. Oh wow, we got some diamonds. Wait. Oh my god.
Ayan,
Paano yung
nakakaya
ginagawa
niya
yung
si
ganun?
Justin.
Yung ganun.
That is crouch.
Ang galing. How did you do that, man?
Hello, rockstar.
You find a girl. Hey, Justin. You find a girl.
There was a little boy.
Here we go, guys. So, we are now in creative. So, we're gonna have...
I am a girl.
So,
Oh my God.
we're gonna look for a
This
boy.
Justin Thomas is so very pretty.
Yeah,
like
she's a
girl.
farmer. And this is... We're gonna find a boy.
Maya po is ilong mo.
And then later, we're gonna start. So, hey guys, nandito na po tayo sa Minecraft Pocket Edition.
Pocket edition.
At dito po tayo mag-i-start. So, ano po, maghanap po tayo na lalaki. Tapos po, yun, mag-i-start na po tayo.
Mag-Minecraft kayo ngayon at bilis.
Ano? Yeah!
Grabe ka nung pasigaw ko.
Pag may nakita tayong
Zombie?
patayin natin. Tapos, ratratin natin siya.
Arctic.
Ayun, pipa, Sorry, ka.
Piglet.
Yan, swan billion dyan. Tapos patayin natin. Naging wizard.
Oh,
Ano?
Brainy.
Hello?
Hello.
Arigato.
ko dyan.
Magkauna to tayo. Pangit.
Uy! Pangit daw niya.
Thank you.
Pangit daw kinakalaban ni Justin, baby.
Skip ka nga. Pwede ka mag-teleport?
Nga, tayo with teleport. Wala.
Saan pwede mag-teleport?
Sa 0.16.0.
Ay, Christina, halika na. O, Maya, no? Sama ka sa amin.
Sige!
Hey!
Ulita ko ano
O, hindi, oy.
Ano ba? Dito muna ako. Multiplayer tayo. So pupunta... Ay, may zombie po! Ito na po! Ito po na nangyayari. Ito na po.
This is the end. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye na.